If you have ever broken a bone, you know the drill. You lie completely still on a cold metal table while your doctor sprints out of the room to crouch behind a lead wall as a giant machine loudly hums to life. That heavy protocol exists because traditional X-rays rely on ionizing radiation. To see through your body, the machine has to blast it with high-energy waves. Because these waves carry so much energy, they can knock electrons off their orbits, potentially damaging your cells or disrupting your DNA. We accept this risk for necessary medical care, but doctors have to limit our exposure to keep us safe. This limitation has forced a long-standing search for a better way. Physicists have wondered if we could achieve that same penetrating power using light that lacks the destructive energy of an X-ray. The goal is a device that functions like a high-tech flashlight, something a doctor can shine over a patient to see through solid objects and reveal internal structures instantly, without any protective gear required. Advancing medical imaging to that level required a shift away from high-energy radiation toward an entirely different frequency of light. To find that alternative, we look at the electromagnetic spectrum, the map of all light. Moving past visible light, between microwaves and infrared, we find the terahertz zone. These waves are non-ionizing, meaning they pass through your body without causing cellular damage. Despite this safety profile, this part of the spectrum remained off-limits for years. Scientists found it incredibly difficult to build tools that could actually use these waves. Creating or detecting this light required massive, complex laboratory equipment. This technological blind spot became known as the Terahertz Gap, a place on the spectrum where our engineering capabilities simply fell short. Bridging this gap has been one of the most significant challenges in modern physics. If we could generate these waves in a compact way, we could finally change how we look inside the human body. Engineers finally found the solution in a specialized lab-grown crystalline structure that is capable of emitting terahertz radiation. Researchers from Scotland and Japan collaborated to miniaturize this material, eventually shrinking it into a tiny deployable crystal chip. This microscopic chip acts as an engine, generating steady, high-frequency waves that can peer through solid materials that would block visible light. To make the technology practical for a clinic, researchers at the University of Warwick and the University of Exeter paired this crystal with a fully fiber-coupled imaging system. By routing power through fiber optic cables directly into the chip, the system can generate waves at a rate high enough to produce real-time, high-resolution video. This combination of microscopic crystals and advanced fiber optics has finally closed the terahertz gap. What was once a room-sized physics experiment now fits into a handheld device. We can see the power of this device by pointing it at a cardboard box. The beam of terahertz waves phases directly through the packaging. Because these waves ignore materials like paper, plastic, and clothing, the box becomes essentially transparent to the scanner. The system captures the waves that bounce back, creating a detailed image of the contents without ever opening the container. In a medical setting, these waves pass easily through the top layers of human tissue. While they don't yet replace X-rays for deep tissue bone fractures, they offer a perfect way to examine surface-level biological structures. This allows for real-time diagnostics at a patient's bedside. Doctors can now use these safe, non-invasive scans to check for skin conditions, research biological tissue, or perform medical screenings with zero radiation risk. This portability makes the technology ideal for airport security and outpatient clinics, places where fast, frequent screening is required. By mastering the terahertz gap, we are moving toward a future where we can see through the world around us faster and more safely than ever before. In many clinical and security settings, the giant, intimidating X-ray machine is finally becoming a thing of the past.